Hey guys, today's video will be showing you how to replace the fog light bulbs in this 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan. I'll be replacing the stock halogen bulbs with some LEDs. These are the 966 type bulbs. So to do this one is fairly easy. I'm going to start here on the driver's side. Turn your wheel to the inside, so this one's going to go to the right. You need a T25 torque screw driver. You'll be doing two screws, one here and one here. So let's take those off. Once you got those two off, this little flap here, what we're going to do is pull back and to the inside. I'll show you why. So once you do that, there's this little lip here. That's why you want to pull and kind of to the inside, and that will release it. And grab your flap here and just swing it up. That'll give you direct access to the light bulb itself. I can't really get the camera in there to show you. What you're going to do is going to be right in here, and you're going to put your hand in there. You're going to turn it counterclockwise or to the left. So you're going to turn it. Sorry, I forgot that you need to remove the harness first. So you're going to push down on the tab. It's a little bit tricky to do it just by hand. You're going to press at the bottom and slide it down. So there's our harness here. So you're going to push down on here and push and pull down. Then you can remove the bulb, so I can turn it counterclockwise and slide her out. It's a bit tricky, but there's our stock bulb. It's a 9006 on this one. So there's our harness. So if you're looking at the harness this way, straight up, there'll be two wires. In this one, there's a white, yellow, and brown. The white yellow is our positive, the brown is the negative. So we'll grab our new light, and this is going to be labeled. So if you look at it here, I'm sure you'll be able to see it from there. There's a positive and negative. Of course, we know that the white is our positive, so we want to make sure that we're going this way. So we're going to white positive, brown to negative. Put that in there, make sure it locks into place, and then just to make sure that we have it right and the connection is good, I'll turn the light on just to verify that. So let's do that first. All right, so there you can see the right side fog light, which is our new LED, versus the halogen stock on the left. So that's how you do the driver's side. I'm going to do the exact same way on the passenger side. So to turn the wheel to the left, to the left, and then do the exact same thing, remove the two screws, put the bulb in. So let's go do that one. All right, so we're all done. As you can see, both LED fog light bulbs there now. So that's how you replace the fog light bulbs in a 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan. Fairly easy job to do, and now I have nice white lights for my fogs as well to almost match my HIDs from factory. So anyways, that's how you do that job. So any comments, questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.